Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put a prop or clothes or whatever you have on your avatar. So I've imported a hat here and I'm just going to drag it over here to the left and going to position it at 0, 0 and 0. So the first thing you want to do is go down the hierarchy of your avatar and you want to find, so since it's a hat, you want to find the head. If it was like a wristband, go to the wrist. If it was on the chest, go to the hips, chest, etc. So I'm going to go down, find the head. So I'm going to go to hips, spine, chest, neck, and head, and then drag the hat onto the head. And I'm gonna unpack the prefab, and then I'm gonna move it up to the head and position it a bit better than that, and down a bit, and that looks fine to me. Might want to make it a little smaller so it kind of fits, you know. So I'm just gonna shrink that down a bit and gonna move it up a small bit, up this way, across that way. And what I could do is, even if I could remember the hotkeys, because W is the X and Y, E is for turning it, or it's for making it small and big, and there's that one as well. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it a small bit, and then W like that, maybe another little bit, and perfect. There we go. And that's how you put props on your avatar. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helped. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.